Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite students on Google Meet. If you'd like to invite your students in a meeting on Google Meet and share your thoughts and ideas to your students, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to Meetup. Google.com. In the search address bar in search, make sure you're logged into your Google Meet account using your Google credentials. Once you are in, go ahead and start a new meeting. In order to invite your students to a meeting, click on the New Meeting button and this should bring up a pop-up menu. Click on Start an Instant Meeting to start a meeting right now. And you'll find yourself into the camera screen right away. Go ahead and click on this Add Others button at the upper left. Note Invite your students on your Google Meet. Once you click on that button, you should see a pop-up menu. Go ahead and enter your student's name or their email. Let me go ahead and type in their email address. Now keep adding more students as per your requirement. And after you're done, click on Send Email. Now what happens is that now your participants will receive an inbox in their particular email. They'll need to click Open the email and click on Join Meeting. Now they'll need to click on Join Now. And soon after they do that, they will be able to join into the meeting quick and easy. That is how you'll be able to invite your students on Google Meet and start connecting with them. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.